We are organizing an education counseling event today here at Green Park Hotel, and we normally conduct this thrice a year, and this edition of the events today are a tremendous success for us, as we can see from the crowds that have attended the fair. This event creates an opportunity to meet the university representatives from different countries like UK, Australia, Singapore, Dubai, and Canada and other countries in person. When the students come here, they are interacting at this venue with the staff who come directly from the universities all the way, and gives them an opportunity to apply to universities. There are course applications, make scholarship applications. Some have an opportunity to get even internships. So if the university academic staff interview them and find them suitable for the program, they get this opportunity to immediately apply for an internship and sometimes get a paid internship as well. And a lot of your students would even qualify for a scholarship, which ideally would be based on the academic background and other things. So Study Overseas Global, as I said, organizes these events each year in February, May, and again in October. So we're very pleased with the turnout today, and we have more than 25 universities from different countries who are personally present here to meet the students. And it's a big opportunity for students in Hyderabad and around Hyderabad for them to travel and meet the university staff. Yeah, as I said, we conduct these fairs thrice each year. So the events in February were also a tremendous success, where we brought a small group of universities. So encouraged with the success we've had in the past editions, we've brought in more universities now, and we hope the students will take advantage of this and work towards their future career and prospects that they have. As a company, we work with more than 300 universities worldwide. So each year, a lot of universities come and visit us in our offices and get interviewed. So when we get one or two universities on a particular day, the number of students that come are very overwhelming. So what we thought is it's a big opportunity to create awareness among the students, and also to provide them on-the-spot information and direct information. So what we've thought is, a few years ago, is to do a biannual event or triannual event and conduct this each year. So based on that, what we've been doing is, in the last couple of years, we've done these events fairly well, and students have received them fantastically well. So this encourages us to organize this event more often. What happens here is, events like this will save the processing time. A student normally applies, gets an admission, applies for the visa. All this process can take almost 2.5 months. But by attending this event, the initial processing time of 1.5 months is reduced to just about a day, because the fact that the application has to travel or be scanned and emailed to the universities, somebody has to assess, that normally takes about 4 to 5 weeks. But today what's happening here, in 4 to 5 hours, you have the university staff present here, and they make a decision on your application, and you're knowing it today whether you will get an admission or not, or if not, what's the missing activity, what's the missing paperwork in your application. So that saves a lot of time, and also it's an opportunity for parents to come and know where their children are going to study in future. It's a big investment for any parent or their children to go study abroad, so it's always good to get first-hand information rather than relying on any unauthorized sources. So we are an Australian-owned company here with 14 offices across India. So this facility, this event, we are organizing in 10 cities, including Hyderabad. So we have few more cities to go in this cycle of events this year.